Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to like or dislike a video in TikTok, as well as put some of the videos which you don't like in the not interested category as well. I'll teach you today how to do that. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And let's go. Let's open our TikTok app. To like or dislike about a video in TikTok, you just need to tap on the heart icon on the bottom right corner of your phone. On the second option, you can see the heart option over here. If you tap here, it will be like, and if you again tap it there, it will be dislike. Or you can like the video by double tapping like this or like this, and on dislike it by like this on tapping again on the heart button like that. And if you are not interested in this fellow's video and you don't like his creation, maybe due to some your own reasons, I'm not dishing this guy, but people have their own reasons. Now to put one of the videos which you don't like into not interested category, just tap on your screen for some time, I mean 2 seconds, and you can see the not interested option over here. Just tap there like this, and your video will be removed because you had tapped the not interested button. So this is how you like, dislike a video and put some videos on the not interested list. And this is the simple, guys. But don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. And thank you, guys. Peace.